nose, or even a sense of smell. This part of the dolphin's body is known as the rostrum and is covered in several hair-like whiskers These whiskers, which eventually fall out, are just one of the 5 characteristics that classify a dolphin as a mammal, just like you and me. All mammals can live, birth, and nurse their young. Mammals are also warm-blooded and maintain an average body temperature of 97.9 degrees Fahrenheit, very similar to that of our own. Now, the 5th and final characteristic that classifies a dolphin as a mammal is breathing air. But wait, we already learned dolphins don't have a nose, so they breathe from their blowhole, which is located right on top of their head. Not only is this where a dolphin breathes from, but it is where they produce a wide variety of their vocalizations. And when they do, those vocalizations can sound a little something like this. Thank you, boys. I could not have said that any better myself. Now, a dolphin's tail is made up of 2 separate fins off loose. And in order to reach top speeds of 15 to 20 miles per hour, they push those fins